Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. So yeah, GALA hit our support area, exited to it, moved at its peak like 10%, quite a lot actually, in just a day. And I mentioned to you in my video yesterday that it would be worth moving up a stop loss because the move up looked very corrective, and it could very well be that we still see a C wave because in all likelihood the if this is an ending diagonal, yeah, in a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we should normally get a deeper wave 4. But obviously we did expect in sort of any case some kind of a reaction to this support area. Could have been a wave 4, yes, but also an A wave. So in that case, I think it played out well, moved up, and now we are coming down and broke out of this wedge pattern, which obviously is a bit of a bearish wave pattern typically. Some kind of a wedge or diagonal here in a B wave, corrective anyway, not the diagonal but the corrective wave pattern, and now we're coming down possibly in the C wave, and we might hit this area actually. Let's see. We don't need to come down to the support area, but we are on our way to it now, especially if we're now going to lose here the 5.44 cent level. That's the A wave low. If you can see that, we need to get confirmation that the C wave has started. Ideally we're gonna break below the A wave. Well, we don't need it as confirmation it started. I mean, we broke out of the wedge, but let's say as confirmation that we actually get into this support box. Ideally we're breaking below the A wave low. That's the next support. So also here the previous high around 5.4 cents. So we want to get below that level. And then how did we calculate here the target for the wave C? Well, it is based on the length of the A wave. We go to the high of the B wave, and it's sort of between the 1-to-1 ratio. Let me just do that more accurately. Maybe I just need to move the box if I didn't do it 100%. No, it's all right. So between 5.2 cents and here 4.98. Between the 1-to-1 ratio and the 1.272 extension. I mean, in theory, this goes out to the 1.618. But personally, I would not, this is obviously a trend reversal area. I would not want to enter this, for example, long if it breaks out of the trend line to the downside. And therefore, I have limited it to the 1.272 extension. I mean, surely we could maybe extend it out further if it now comes down quite quickly. We want to include the 1.38 extension at 4.89 cents. But if it goes below that, breaks below the trend line of that ascending wedge, it would be a strong signal that we are actually in a wave 2. Already, yeah. So either way, the view is that this is gonna, sort of getting towards the end of its lifetime. This uptrend here, we are starting to see patterns which indicate exhaustion. We start to see bearish divergences. We discussed this now in many videos, especially here on the relative strength index. If you look at the 4-hour chart, you can clearly see these bearish divergences playing out, and also now on the 4-hour chart, negative momentum and a bearish crossover on the 4-hour. Daily chart might also get a bearish crossover, not entirely confirmed yet. But certainly it looks like either the wave 4 is ongoing here, and if we lose the support area I indicated, then it could be that the overall high of the wave 1 was already in, and that we are coming down in the wave 2. If we do that, I think we have a good confirmation that we're doing that if we break out of this ascending broadening wedge to the downside. These are patterns that don't survive very long. And my view would be that either we break out down now, or when we get another wave 5. That's sort of currently the preferred view, that we get one more high here in a 5th wave before we come down. That would be broadly in line with what Bitcoin could be doing. I'm going to observe that very closely for you, but we've got the next key support area identified here on the chart. Okay, that's my view about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.